All right. So, guys, I'm trying something new. I am in the process of comparing AIs. All right, and we're just gonna focus on different topics. So one of the trending topics today, Samsung stock. So I'm just gonna test AI to see who has the deepest knowledge, who has the source, who has the cutting edge info on Samsung stock. And yeah, let's see. Check it out. So we're gonna start with ChatGPT. All right. I just started the conversation now. Wow, check this out. Let's fuse hot internet. So they gave me a hot internet trends of digital marketing, which is my niche. All right. All right, here we go. Top trending topics, X digital marketing. All right. So let's see. Samsung stock, X digital marketing. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. All right, so it's giving me content ideas based on that. All right, so I'm gonna ask it. All right, data-driven breakdown, carousel slide content. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. This is ChatGPT. All right, cool. So I'm in projects right now, and I'm gonna ask them, all right, can you fill me in? Can you fill me in on Samsung stock? What's the latest? Oh, I need to ask it to provide links as well. All right, so check this out. It has links. So as of July 20th, the stock closed at um not sure what that thingy is, 70,400 up approximately 6.83%. This marks the highest closing price since September 3rd, 2024, and the strongest single day rally since November 2024. So some of the key drivers, Tesla deals, 16.5 billion chip supply agreement. Okay, so I'm getting up to date. Samsung signed a landmark contract to produce Tesla's next generation AI6 chips at its Texas facility running from 2025 to 2033. All right, market context. South Korea's broader equity rose modestly with Samsung's rally helping lift the KOSPI benchmark index by 0.42%. Analyst insight. So following Tesla agreement, firms like Macquarie upgraded their ratings on Samsung stock. All right. So, wow, I just wanted to know about Samsung stock. So, what it means, foundry business revival. The Tesla's deal gives new life to Samsung's fabrication ambitions, especially at its Texas campus. Wow. So basically, that connection, Samsung's Tesla's AI6 chipset. All right, sweet. So that's ChatGPT. Quite thorough. All right. And I just asked, can you fill me on Samsung stock? Right. So let me see what Grok has to say. Ta-da. All right, we just asked Grok about in-depth trending topics. All right. So within this conversations, how can Grok help? Can you on the latest with Samsung stock? All right, let's see what Grok has to say. Samsung Electronics is making news July 2025 with stock prices and market performance tied to some big moves in the tech world. There's a detailed rundown of the latest developments, been financial updates, market sentiments, and broader context of what's driving the buzz. Stock performance snapshot. Ooh, yo, okay. Grok is deep. Wow. As of July 20th, 2025, Samsung's electronic stock. But they all taken in the info from investing.com. Stock closed at 69 um 1,300 kWh. I think that's Korean won. Uh okay. So the key driver of the recent stock movement, the big news. Movement, the big news fueling Samsung recent 5% stock surge, 16.5 billion chip supply deal with Tesla set to run through 2033. Announced on July 27, 2025, this contract involves Samsung's new chip factory in Taylor, Texas, producing Tesla's next generation AI6 or A1 AI6 chip for applications like the Optimus humanoid robot, autonomous vehicles, and AI data centers. Post on X and reports from CNBC and Reuters confirmed that the deal lifted Samsung shares by over 2% in early trading, while with gains extending to 5% by July 28th, hitting the highest level since September 6, 2024. Sweet. All right, let's see. Uh, just pause for a while. All right, so great. So that's Grok. Let's see what Google Gemini has to say. Uh, can you fill me out? Oh, I did the search before. Major breaking news: Tesla partnership sparks surge. The biggest news driving Samsung stock right now is the announcement of a 16.5 billion agreement with Tesla. Samsung manufactures Tesla's non-next generation AI 16 chips for its autonomous driving systems, robotics, and AI models. So basically, it's the Tesla partnership. All right. So basically the same news, but what I noticed with ChatGPT and Grok is that they provide sources in bestmen.com. Right. So yeah, they've been able to provide that information. Let's see. Now let's check Claude. All right. What's let's have a chat. Can you fill me in? All right, so here's Claude. It's given their results, top 10 results, and they summarize based on this. Amazing. You know what I need to check out as well? Perplexity. Basically, the question is which has more what's it called? More personality and stuff. All right. Let's see. Samsung has been having quite a journey this year. Let me break down what's happening. Recent performance current status. Samsung Electronics stock gained 2.23% on July 17th, rising from 153,900 to 55,100. Uh, and it's up 4.16% over the past 2 weeks. Boom. Q1 2025, strong results. Q2 2025, challenge emerges. Looking ahead. All right. So yeah. Uh, so Sam, it's basically no frills, no fluff. Let's see what DeepSeek has to say. Da-na-na-ta. Yep. You fill me in on the latest with Samsung stock. All right. So current stock performance, July 2024. Ah, these guys don't have access to real life info. So I'm curious. It's showing current stock from 2024, in 2025, right? So check this out. Let us do Bing.com and check what Copilot has to say. All right, I need to sign in with Copilot. It may need me to sign in. Can you fill me in on the latest with Samsung stuff? Copilot, let's see. They're more visual. Bing definitely has more personality. Absolutely. Samsung Electronics stock is riding a wave of optimism thanks to a massive new deal with Tesla. Here's the latest major Tesla partnership. Samsung secured a 16.5 billion contract to supply Tesla with next-gen AI 16 chips over the next 8 years. These chips will power Tesla's autonomous vehicles, humanoid robots, and AI data centers. Yeah, the same stuff we read previously. So stock performance, Samsung shares jumped nearly 7% on the Korean stock exchange following the announcement. The outlook, the deal is expected to boost Samsung's fab utilization and attract future contracts from other tech giants like AMD and Qualcomm. All right. Here are the sources: Investopedia, Yahoo Finance, investing.com. So it looks more like an infographic. I must admit, that looks amazing, man. Props to Bing. Let's see, perplexity.ai. Okay, I'm going to use my Google account. Okay, it's taking forever. Oh, it's already connected? Oh my gosh. Wow, I'm impressed. Can you fill me in on the latest? All right, so Perplexity is on some next level stuff. Wow, okay. It's just more. Do they wait? They have images? That's the answer. They give me an answer. Right now they provide the images and stuff like that. But here's the answer. Samsung stock recently surged. The same stuff, the same good stuff. Finance, TNBC, Fortune, right? Right, sharply fueled by primarily by the huge Tesla chip supply. All right, so that kind of caused my curiosity about AI. Sorry, about the what's it called? The Samsung stock because I was like, what's up? What's all that? What's all the noise about Samsung stock? So AI answered, all right, guys, thanks for listening. If you have any recommendations, any other search engines I can check out, let me know. And I will gladly add it to the list so I could ask AI. Bye for now, guys. Catch you on the next video.